Hey guys, what's up? Right moment back here again, and today we are going to discuss about Huawei's latest software, which is the EMUI 10.1. Now you see that I've opened up the web page for Huawei and it shows EMUI 10 over here. I just noticed that they've launched EMUI 10.1 and also the EMUI 11 will be coming out soon. I'll put the links in the description. That this is the consumer Huawei's website where you can go and have a look at all the different updates coming from Huawei and their phones, which is quite interesting to know. It's a bit of a shift away from the normal the Samsung and Apple phones, but of course all of these are competitor phones, and it all comes down to personal preference. So I've discovered another website, which is the Huawei Central website. And I think so it's been updated by different bloggers, and they have a host of information over here, and it does tell you what's the latest news and what's happening in the world of Huawei. So just to quickly show you that you have over here on the top, you have the EMUI 11, 10.1 and 10. I'm going to update my phone to 10. And 10's major feature is obviously the dark mode, and it's got many other features, like of course it's got the response latency and latency fluctuation, and it's got this accelerated switch. Of course safety is one thing, and then if you scroll down to the website it shows you 9.1 and so on. You can learn about the different EMUI software available. So if I hit EMUI 10, the interesting thing is that EMUI 10.1 has this new feature called Me Time. So it's just going to be like FaceTime or Google video conferencing. They've come up with these two different gadgets, which is the real-time action camera sharing for your phone, and you have a smarter video conferencing where you have this camera and you have these host of people sitting over here, and then you can interact with them. You do have mobile office, but I'm not sure if it's related to the Google Word, or is it just the Microsoft products which are going to work along with it. Then you have a very interesting Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020, and it's got a camera which is built in. I just saw the video, absolutely amazing. So Huawei is doing some really great stuff, but the thing is, let's go ahead and let's see what their new EMUI 10 or 10.1 has to offer me in terms of my phone. The first thing is you need to turn it on and see what software it has, and I'll just show you how to update it. So when you turn it on, it gives you this Honor logo. You'll be presented with the first screen, which is the main screen, and over here what you need to do is, of course, if you have any apps on the Play Store, I would highly recommend to first of all update those. Make sure that your battery is on 100%. Over here I have my battery on 100%, and it's just updating all these different features and functions. So in the meantime, what I will do is that I will go and check in if it does have any new firmware. So to do that, you have to go into settings, and over here if you scroll down you have system. So in system you have the about phone, and yes, it's already picked up a software. It says restart. I'm going to click later just to show you guys. Right now I'm running Android version 9 with the Magic UI version 2.1. If in case you do not get this option, that current version and new version, what you need to do is, I will show you a very easy way to update your Huawei software. You need to go to the home screen, and then from the Huawei's app gallery, what you need to do is you need to search for the support app, and once it's installed, just click the support app, and over here it'll give you a host of features. Now the main feature which you're looking for to update your Huawei or your Honor phone is the update. So as soon as you click update, it'll basically scan your phone and it'll tell you which software it has at the moment. So as I've got 9.1, I will hit check for update, and over here basically it will find the new version. Now this is only for those people who actually don't have the new firmware from the normal way, which was that which everybody would go into settings, and over here you would go into system and software update. So usually you won't have it over here. So in that case, then as I've told you, you need to go into support, and then you click check for update, and it'll check it, and over here it will give you an update. Once this shows up, the next step is very simple. You just have to click download and install and agree, and here it'll basically start downloading the software. Now make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. I'll just leave it for the moment and see how this download goes. So guys, the update has almost been completed. It's at 100%. It's verifying now. It took me roughly 15 to 20 minutes, and it all depends on your internet connection. Now, my internet speed is roughly 60 megabits per second, but on Wi-Fi it should be more or less maybe 40. So you can calculate how long would it take if you had a slower internet connection. And what I am going to do is I'm just going to install it now, and basically it'll restart and it'll do its job. So yes, guys, it's just been updated, and it's giving you a services and experience page, which you can just click finish to, and that is it. So we will check what firmware do we have at the moment, and if we will go into settings, and over here we go into phone about, and we have the Magic UI version 3 and Android version 10. You can see the difference that all the icons have turned into circles, and so that is pretty cool. Apart from that, I'm guessing that it has a dark mode now, and yes, we have the dark mode, and that is a really cool thing. Eye comfort, you can switch that on, and you can, that's on schedule, so of course it's day at the moment, so the blue light filter won't come on, and the display is on, the display brightness is on automatic, color mode and temperature, and then you have the dark mode, which I have switched on, which was previously not available. As you can see now, it's still very easy on the eyes, and it's giving you a very nice and decent layout. The second thing which I noticed is you have digital balance now, where you can actually monitor how much you have used your phone. So it'll give you a list of screen time and your app limits and so on. So apart from that, they have made changes to the security. I've just flipped the camera over and I'm recording. Of course, you can see that it's instantly picked up my face, which I can literally see that the image is quite clear, and they have made a lot of changes to the camera, and I've heard that they made some changes to the video as well, so, and on the photo, so you've got AI photography as well now. So it does come with a host of features. I would suggest you to look at the list, and then you can go through your phone, but highly recommended to update your Huawei phone or your Honor phone if there is an update available. So guys, this was my quick sort of review for the EMUI 10. Whenever EMUI 10.1 is available, I'll update it and we'll see it from there. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions regarding the Honor 20 phone, if you're struggling to update it, leave your comments in the section below and I will reply back to you. Alright guys, catch you in my next video, and bye for now.